One of the biggest challenges any business owner faces when running online ads is how to get the right people to find your business. How do we do it? Well, it all comes down to knowing who you want to find. Who's your ideal client? Where do they live? How old are they? What are they interested in? What do they do for work? These are all questions that you need to have a deep understanding of before we start running online paid ads, such as Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, because this is how an ad expert such as myself sets up your ads campaigns. We make sure we can target your ideal clients through all the techie settings behind the scenes. This is how we find out. And this is also the information we use so that we can write your ad campaigns for you and ensure that we're speaking to your ideal clients. When we have those two things right, that's when your ad campaigns are going to start running successfully for you. And that's how you're going to find the right people online. Now, I have a free ideal client questionnaire on my website that you're welcome to download and sit down and have a think about those questions that I suggested. There's a link in the captions. Download this ideal client and then get started targeting your ads to the right people. Until next time, bye for now.